Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be Falling for Fall episode 4. I think we're on episode 4 already, which is crazy. We are going to be decorating for fall part 2. If you missed the first one, I will have it linked up in the cards, but basically we are going to be finishing downstairs. I'm talking the dining room, the office, the breakfast nook, the kitchen. So it's going to be a really good one. Lots of new fall decor and a ton of places to decorate. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you want to decorate with me for fall part 2, then please just keep on watching. But before we get into today's video, I want to talk about today's sponsor, which is Ritual. You guys, I don't know if anyone else out there can relate, but especially this time of year, it must be like a back to school thing, getting closer and deeper into the holiday season thing. I don't know, but I have been incredibly stressed. I'm not lying when I say I have an app on my phone that tracks my stress levels, and 20 out of the past 30 days have been nothing but stress for me, which is not good. It's not good for my overall health. It's not good for my mind. So I have been taking these Ritual stress relief supplements, and you guys, I'm telling you, I have noticed such a huge difference. I love these supplements because they have an 8-hour release, which means that if you take it in the morning, you can see results all throughout the day. I take them after my workout. It does not leave me groggy. It's just like an even sense of calmness, which I love. I have noticed a difference. I will even include some screenshots of my app after taking these supplements. But even after this sponsorship, Ritual, you will be seeing me purchase more of these. Luckily, it's a subscription, so I'm going to definitely sign up to get these sent straight to my door, hassle-free. I actually noticed a difference right away, but with continued use over 12 weeks, you will notice an improvement in your cortisol levels and your stress. What makes these supplements really cool is that it has a trio of different ingredients that help you remain calm and get your stress levels under control. It really has improved my day-to-day life. I will have my code here on the screen. You can scan it. You can use my 25% off code on your subscriptions. I highly recommend this. I will also have it linked down below. Thank you again to Ritual for sponsoring today's video. And if you want to decorate for fall with me, then please just keep on watching. And before we can really get into any decorating in the dining room, I have to clean this off. I don't know why, but every time I look around, our dining room table has become our catch-all area with returns, mails, the kids' homework. It's just a collection of random things. In the back corner of the dining room, we had our fall home decor bins. You all know that we have a storage unit with all of our home decor in it. So each season we have to go to our storage unit, get the bins for that particular season, and then start decorating. It's a little bit of a hassle, but it's fine. So the bins just kind of ended up in that back corner. But now it is time to decorate, and I'm really just going around the dining room and trying to add pumpkins, little decorative objects, candles, faux stems, you name it, just to make this dining room look and feel even more cozy. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but I have been thinking about repainting the dining room. I know, I know, but I just feel like that brown rug in the living room that we just purchased inspired me to want all of the rooms in my house to be very warm and rich and cozy. And the dining room wall color, as gorgeous as it is, it's very cool toned. And I think I kind of want to change it to something a little bit more warm tone. I don't know. You have to let me know in the comments what you think about that. Either way, I think I'm going to have to move forward. Rob's going to think I'm insane, but I feel like I have to go for it.
But good enough ain't good nor enough when going
So now that the cabinets are fully decorated, I'm working on the centerpiece, and I really had an idea of adding a bunch of different pumpkins and candles in the middle here. So I'm just using what I have, adding vases, pillar candles, and then these metal wire pumpkins to go with it. I think this turned out really, really cool. So I feel like if maybe you don't have a large statement centerpiece, you can put a bunch of little things together kind of in alignment with varying heights, textures, shades, and it would make a really nice centerpiece. And this is what the dining room is looking like, all decorated for fall. I absolutely love it. All of the warm, rich bronze, browns, and oranges I think look so good together. I had to turn on the light just to make it look even more warm, and I love it. So now let's move on to another room. The easiest way, in my opinion, to make your space feel decorated for fall, ready for fall, is just switching out the stems. That can make such a huge impact. I love doing this. I'll switch out all of my green stems to ones that are more orange and brown and fall appropriate, and it instantly makes it feel more cozy. It's just something about the fall colors, the fall vibe, like it just feels warm. The colors are warm, you feel warm even though it's cool outside, and I think it just fits perfectly.
We'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far.
Okay, so now I'm adding these rich brown throw pillows. They're so cozy and they're so soft. I also decided to add a throw blanket on the side and then another throw blanket on my actual office chair. No one really sits in the two chairs up front, so I thought it would be perfect to put little pillows there to make it feel cozy. And this is what the office is looking like. I absolutely love it. I mean, how many times are you gonna hear me say, absolutely love it? But I really do. The faux stems, the pillows, even the blanket, the little pumpkin accents. I just think the shelving unit especially is so cozy and so ready for fall. I'm obsessed. So let's move on to the next room. And I know technically this vessel is supposed to be in a kitchen or a bathroom because technically that little hook at the bottom, you're supposed to have a hand towel on. But you know what? I think it looks good right over here in the breakfast nook. We have some fall stems, we have little pumpkins, and of course I had to add candle. I just think this space looks so cozy, so inviting. The fall stems, it just made everything super warm and cozy. So now it's time to move right next door to the kitchen, and I'm starting off by adding these faux stems. I love the color of these. You wouldn't necessarily think that this is a fall faux stem, but I feel like the creamy, almost butter yellow color is perfect for the kitchen. It's not doing too much. I'm just adding a couple little accents in here to achieve the fall vibe.
Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take
And this is what the kitchen is looking like. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. The downstairs is fully decorated for fall. It's ready for fall, okay? I'm loving the way everything turned out. If you are too, if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload, because falling for fall is not over, okay? We still have to move on upstairs, and I also have a lot of fun fall videos in store. So me and my fall home decor, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.